Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the NUBIA 8S Pro. So if you want to open the home screen, just hold the finger on the display. Now we can go to the global appearance. As you can see, I have a edit theme option, so you can enable the blur effect, the page background, the color of it. We can also change the surface and the surface stroke. As you can see, we have a lot of options here to change the color, so just add this setting to the needs. We can also change the grid. If you want to change the amount of the application in the rows and in the columns, you can manage it by this plus and minus. Now the next one, the font. If you want to change the font style, you can do it here. There you have a preview. We can also change the body font. In the next step, let's go to the widgets. If you want to change the corner radius of the widget, you can do it here. If you want to add more widgets, just click on the add widget and choose the widget from the list. Hold the finger on it. Oh, sorry, I think we have to tap on it. Now tap on the add widget. Oh, my home screen just crashed. Never mind. If you want to make the folder, just hold any up and drop onto another. Oh, sorry, I have to bring it to the home screen before. I don't know what's happening here with my home screen. And now to make the folder, just hold any up and drop onto another. Okay, I don't know why, but never mind. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.